Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. Beef stroganoff is very easy to make, and a real treat for dinner. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Beef, unsalted butter, onion, garlic, mushrooms, all-purpose flour, beef bouillon, water, ketchup, salt, black pepper, white wine, dill weed, sour cream, fettuccine, parsley. Now let's make it. Prepare your noodles or rice and set aside. Put the water and beef bouillon in a large cup or bowl, and allow the bouillon time to dissolve. Trim excess fat from beef, and slice across the grain into thin strips. Some recipes suggest about 1.25 centimeters or about ½ inch thick, but I prefer even thinner pieces that are ready to eat. Melt 1/3 of the butter in a heavy skillet. Add enough beef to cover the bottom of the skillet, and quickly sear the beef on high heat on all sides. You want this to be brown on the outside, but rare on the inside. Remove and set aside, then repeat until all of the beef has been browned. In the same skillet, melt remaining butter, and then sauté the onion, garlic, and mushrooms until the onion is golden, about 5 minutes. Remove from heat, and add the flour, ketchup, salt, and black pepper, stirring until smooth. Return to heat, and slowly add beef bouillon liquid prepared before. Bring to boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Over low heat, add white wine, dill weed, and sour cream, stirring until well combined. Add the brown beef. Simmer until sauce and beef are hot. Garnish with parsley or fresh dill after dishing out onto plates or bowls. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. For more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. Finally, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave us suggestions for other recipes and cooking tips in the comments.